If you need to edit a PDF file in Microsoft Word, this tutorial will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it without needing extra software. Microsoft Word can actually open a PDF, convert it into an editable document, and let you make changes to the text, images, and formatting. That means you can update a PDF for free using a tool many people already have installed on their computer. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Now let's get into it. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, go to the File menu and click Open. This is where you can bring in the PDF file you want to edit. Next, click Browse so you can locate the PDF on your device. Find the file, select it, and then open it in Word. As soon as you do this, Word will show you a message letting you know that it's going to convert the PDF into an editable Word document. This is an important step because the file is no longer being treated as a locked PDF. Instead, Word is turning it into a document you can actually work with. Click OK to continue the conversion. After a few moments, your PDF will open inside Microsoft Word as a fully editable file. Now you can click directly into the text and start making changes. You can correct spelling, rewrite sentences, remove sections, or add new information just like you would in any normal Word document. If your PDF includes images, Word may allow you to move, resize, or replace them depending on how the file was originally created. You can also adjust formatting like bold text, font size, colors, and alignment. This is where you should carefully review the document and make the edits you need. Keep in mind that when Word converts a PDF, the layout may shift a little bit. That means you might notice spacing changes, fonts that look different, or elements that no longer line up perfectly. So after editing the content, take a moment to review the layout from top to bottom. Check the margins, fix any alignment issues, and make sure the spacing still looks clean and professional. If something moved during conversion, you can usually correct it manually in Word. Once everything looks good, it's time to save your file. Go back to the File menu and choose Save As. From here, you can decide whether you want to save your work as a Word document or export it back to PDF. If you want to keep editing later, saving as a .docs file is the best option. If you want to create a finished PDF version, simply save it as a PDF instead. And that's it. You've now learned how to edit a PDF file in Microsoft Word by opening it, converting it, making your changes, and saving it in the format you need. This is a super useful trick for students, office work, business documents, and anyone who needs quick PDF edits without paying for extra software. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.